Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I am doing a surprise Facebook Live. This is regularly not a time that I usually go live, but I got this yesterday afternoon, and this is the Mary Moose bundle, as you can see here. So there is a punch and there is a stamp set, and oh my goodness, I just fall in love. So anyway, so I wanted to make one quick card. In fact, my husband doesn't even know I'm doing a Facebook Live. He's gonna kill me. So let's just go this real quick. But I'm using it with the, what is this, the Rapid in Plate, which is one of my favorite design series paper in Stampin' Up, because holy cow, it goes for so many looks, and so you're not gonna be disappointed with this one, I'm sure. So anyway, so I'm using Sherry Cobbler as my card base. This is 8.5 by 5.5, and we're gonna be folding it in half. All right, let's just go ahead and do this. Then I have two pieces here. This one is Shaded Express, which is the one that coordinates really here. Oh, hello, Sharon. So this one is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. And this one is 3 by 4, okay? And so I'm going to go ahead and glue this one already like so. So I'm going to put it like this, okay? So let's go ahead and bring our adhesive, and I'm just praying this doesn't run out of me. Because again, I'm trying to do this real quick because, like I said, I'm not supposed to be live. But I couldn't resist it. I really couldn't resist it. By the way, so Thursday is my typical day where I go live, and I was just designing the cards for next live, which it's gonna be with these moves. So you're gonna get to see three more cards with this bundle next Wednesday. So tune in next Thursday at 7 p.m. So if you're liking this bundle, make sure you are. Where is all the stuff? Really, now I lost everything. Next Thursday, I'm going to be live. Hold on, because I just had all the pieces here, and now I cannot find anything. Can you believe this? So anyway, I'm pairing it also. So I have these. Where is the... I had some words here that I wanted to use. So just give me 1 second. Oh, here. I'm like, what? Because I'm trying to do this real quick, and then I'm losing everything. So this one is going to go here. Okay. And let me see. What else? Where is the moose? Oh, here. I'm like, where is the moose? Holy cow. Okay, so I'm gonna be bringing this. All right. Oh my goodness, it's almost falling off. So anyway, so I want to glue this one. So while we are stamping, this one is being glued down, but I cannot find my glue. Holy cow. And today that I don't have the time and I'm doing this sneaking out, everything gets lost. So I'm actually shaking. How about that? So anyway, this is the fine tip glue pen. Here it is. Okay. And I really like using this one for these type of dies, because I can go everywhere, as you can see it here, and you can put as much as or little. Sometimes I've seen people putting little dots. I actually oh, can you see? Thank you, Kay. You're so sweet. Like I said, I'm sneaking and I'm not supposed to be live, but I couldn't resist it. And again, next Thursday, you're going to get to see 3 more cards with this, which, oh my goodness, I didn't know I loved this set as much as I do. And I've been playing with it, and I'm like, holy, so many cards with this. And you know what is going to be really cool is that you can actually use this one. So when I was making this one, I thought this could be a perfect happy birthday card, don't you think? I mean, honestly, I hadn't thought about that until I was making this one. This could be great because it's a masculine card or masculine colors. I have already cut this one with the stitches framelits, and this one is crumb cake. So we're gonna let it dry while we do the stamping of the mousse. And again, it's super easy to make. So I have here the mousse. Here is this one. I'm gonna lit this one right there, and we're gonna bring our early espresso. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and stamp it here. I know, Kate, you're gonna love it. Like I said, this one was not really on my top of the list. However, I got it after, I think a few weeks ago, I asked like which set you want to see, and people commented on this one. I'm like, okay, fine, I'll do it. Well, I got it, and oh my goodness, I love everything about it. And next Thursday, I keep saying Thursday, I mean Wednesday, but it's Thursday. Next Thursday, you're gonna fall in love with this if you don't fall in love with it. And I punch it out, as you can see it here. All right, and then we're gonna bring our what is this called, shaded spruce, and I'm pairing it just because I have that happy. I'm pairing these with the Merry Christmas tool because I wanted to use the happy birthday. The happy holidays. But you could do this as happy birthday. But honestly, you could use any of these on the sentiments. I just thought that because I had that happy that I wanted to use, I wanted to go with that set. But you could use all the sentiments. And in fact, on the cards from Thursday, you're going to see me using it only with those sentiments. You don't have to have two sets. But I got to be honest. I got this one last year, and I don't think I really use it. So now I'm trying to bring back all the stamp sets from last year that I haven't used. So I've been playing a little bit with those. And this is one of them. So anyway, we're going to put the happy holiday. All right. And you'll use, and this is the die that comes out of the same, which is the Merry Christmas thin lines, which is the one that has the happy. So we're going to go ahead and die cut it. So this one goes like so. Now, because again, I'm trying to do this real quick, I've already done this. So you have it here. This one should be dry by now. So let's just get with this one. And where is the mousse? Here is my mousse. All right. Let me just put all of this here before I start loosening things. So anyway, so this one will go like so here. And we're going to be putting this one like so. And then we're going to be putting this one right here. I mean, is this not looking fantastic already? Telling you, Kate, you're going to love this one. You are going to meet me. So we're going to go ahead and add this one with dimensionals. And you see how quickly it was? Seriously, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. And I am loving how this whole collection goes. Actually, I'm going to put it like right here. And then this guy, it's going to be here also with dimensionals. So we're going to put one dimensional there. And maybe one here. And then maybe I'll add one here. And one there. All right, the feet are going to go kind of... Thank you so much for sharing, Jenny. I really appreciate it. And I know some other have been sharing. Thank you so much. Oh, so let me... Oh, did I not say that? Hold on. Let me just tell you that. So, look at that. I mean, is this not gorgeous? Okay, so this one was 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. And this one is 3 by 4. This one is just a scrap. And this is crumb cake. And so you just die cut it with the stitches framelits. This one was soft suede. Also scrap of paper, as you can see, where I'm doing my stamping and the punching. And then maybe, let's see, and I don't know, because this one kind of looks more, so I don't know if I'm going to be adding some of the linen thread, or if I should use the, what is this called? the shaded spruce. And super fast. That's what I'm telling you, Sharon. This stamp set has made it so easy. Like, I literally have spent less than 45 minutes in my craft room, and I have already designed the 3 cards for next. Oh, yes, definitely yes. Definitely yes. This is staying. And I have already designed, this is the 4 card, but holy cow, I could keep going just because the plate, the wrapped in plate with this little guy is just amazing. And the fonts on that, here we go. We're going to put it like right here. Definitely, yes, I love the bow. And the fonts on this one, definitely, I mean, look at those fonts, really. So we're going to be using this one because I thought that was pretty cool. And then this one on some of the cards next week. So anyway, so what do you think, huh? Do you not like it? I think it's really quick. I think you can make many of those. And again, this paper makes it so easy because you can be color coordinating it with different other colors. Since there are so many played designs on that design series paper. So anyways, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So if you like this guy, make sure you're here next Thursday at 7 p.m. Because I'll be sharing 3 more cards with this little guy. So anyway, thank you so much. And I really gotta go because my husband is going to kill me now. So thank you. Bye.